happy seasons with grace.
Seasons ever refreshing, prosperity and well-being, health, happiness may come his way. Sing along, people.
Showers of blessings we need.
Mommy and Daddy, step forward. Grandpas, join in.
For the showers we plead. Showers of blessing.
Come, Rex and Joanna.
Of blessings we need. Mercy drops round us are falling. But for the showers we plead.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your blessings. Thank you. Now you can really settle down. We're going to get a glass of wine, a sparkling grape juice coming your way. We will raise a toast to this occasion. Right here with us today is a friend of the family. His name is Morris Sarao. Morris Sarao, if you can please head to the microphone and raise a toast to this occasion. Rex, Joanna, stand by. Get your wine glasses together. Hotel staff, please make sure all the guests have a glass of wine to share with members of the family. Godfather, godmother, we got some extra tall glasses for you. We want to see you all dancing a lot. Come this side, please. Get a glass, everyone. Make sure you have a glass. You got to raise your glass and say cheers with us, yeah? At the back, everywhere the staff's going around making sure